My article has been published in a journal on this, mice migration. It was found by so many authors, and there was no manipulation in the reports of mice, because it was thought that chalo ye to चूहे हैं, इनके जीन में क्या manipulate करोगे? Humans, when we will be talking about humans, we will manipulate. So it was found that all the domestic mice of the world, they originated from India. They originated in India about 500,000 years back. Domestic mice, 4 species, 3 species. But they did not leave India until 15,000 years back. Their first batches left India 15,000 years back. And they went out of India mainly in 3 routes, 3 species. They went into 3 directions. Castaneous, they went to Southeast Asia and China. This species you can match with the Munda family. We discussed earlier, migration. Then musculus species, it migrated on the same route as we saw, the cow migration map and R1A1A map. And this lower route went to Iran, Iraq, and then Mediterranean Sea through that Italy and Greece. So these 3 also overlap the 3 human DNA routes. Incidentally, it has been proved that domestic mouse cannot live without man, because he has developed the habit of eating only the refuse thrown away by man. Now the question is that man went out of India, we saw 50,000 years back also, but with them mice did not go, because those men did not took agriculture with them. They went out as hunters, and hunters would eat mouse also when starving. So they preferred to live in India, where most of the people were vegetarian, and they were getting the paddy fields, wild paddy fields. Even when we were not cultivating, we had wild paddy fields, and we were just harvesting and eating maybe 100,000 years back. There is a mouse species which lives only in rice fields. 2 species. One is bandicoot species, very notorious in Godavari region. So this fellow lived in India till recently, and when people farming went to, it is wild, it is not a domestic species, but it is dependent on rice fields. So it has spread out of India with humans to Indonesia now, and their DNA shows that it is of Indian origin. And now it is disturbing, pestering the paddy fields in Indonesia. Another Borsot, another author, his details are also almost the same, route maps are the same. This is another author, his details are also the same. Picture is not so beautiful, but yes, matter is the same. So, and this is black rat. Black rat and mice are different things, but they also follow the same thing. Rat also has got 2 types. One is domesticated, another is wild or free living. The domesticated rice left India 15,000 years back and went with the different. See, this map shows, you see, this is Australian author, only last year the article was published. You can see here that they are originating, and it is a detailed study. I will not bombard you with the details. And this map also you see from South India, they are emerging. Okay, this is human male DNA J2B. Now, this route map can be constructed that they left India and went along the sea coast of Iran to Turkey, And then by sea, every author has noted it that from Turkey to Balkans, Greece, they went by sea, not by land route. Many published articles. So, up to the point of Europe and Turkey, everybody says ki fine, farming, mouse and this lineage J2B migrated together. When it comes to India, the same author starts saying that possibly here they took a turn and from Turkey they migrated to India. Yes, but final resolution studies have shown that no, like this is Sen Gupta's study. She found that J2B2, the daughter of J2B, she was born near this part of UP, I think very near Kanpur. And Underhill found, this is very important map, 2009, this silenced everybody. Now nobody of them says that R1A is a marker of Aryan, nobody says. They now say gene is gene in language is language, they have no relationship. Same people, I have talked with them. So 16,000, this is color coded, 16,000 years back, this DNA originated in Gujarat region, Sindh region, and from here you can see by colors, they migrated like this to Europe. By about 10,000 years back, they had reached East Europe. And